My name is A.K. Rahman. I'm an anchor and an entertainer. I'm super excited to be a part of this virtual presentation because it has everything which your virtual event needs. So let's begin. MiceCart.com is India's only online marketplace solution which deals in mice products and services. The idea was to create value for buyers and sellers of mice products and services by offering them a unique platform to optimally transact, thus bridging the gap between mice solution providers and clients across the country. Our expertise in managing mice coupled with competency in technology, where we bring to you virtual solutions to conduct your upcoming conferences, R&R events, product launches, etc. Our expert team will ideate, conceptualize and execute your event flawlessly in a highly secure platform. So are you ready? Rewarding elite performers is an integral part of driving overall performance in an organization. Now here is how we make it possible with MiceCart's virtual R&R events. Felicitate your high performers and make them feel special. The first award for this evening goes to a very deserving and hardworking personality whose efforts speak for themselves and has landed her the award of the best salesperson of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Misha Srikala. Congratulations, Misha. How does it feel?
Thank you so much. It is a real honor to receive this award. It wouldn't have been possible without a great team and support from Clint, Gavin sir, Abhishek sir, and the trust you guys have. It's a real good thing for me. Thank you so much.
Awesome, thank you Misha. Well, the next award of this evening goes for the out-of-the-box thinking and accepting the challenge at the spur of the moment to anchor a very high-profile event as the MC backed out at the last minute. The award for Team Player of the Year goes to Sukanya Chakravarti. Congratulations!
Thank you so much. I am extremely grateful for all the opportunities that have been given to me in this company, and none of this would have happened without Gavin sir, Abhishek sir, and the rest of the team. So this means a huge lot to me, and thank you so much everybody. Thank you so much.
Awesome, Sukanya. Thank you very much. I hope the celebrations continue. Have a good time. An event is incomplete without entertainment and performances. It can be a band, a stand-up comedian, a dance troupe, or any artist of your choice which can be integrated into the event flow. You know what? We at MiceCart have got a variety of artists. Here is Two Blue rocking you, your live event, and this is a MiceCart virtual presentation. Hey, yeah! Staying connected and motivated is a very important for elite performers to excel in their job. Teamwork plays an important role. Here, MiceCart brings to you a very own virtual team building solutions. Well, ladies and gentlemen, take a look. What's a virtual event without a little gaming? हम खेल रहे हैं सबसे ब्रेनी कौन. बड़ा सिंपल सा फंडा है. 4 pre-selected people will play with me. सबसे ब्रेनी कौन? मैं पूछूंगा एक सवाल और जो पहले अपना टॉर्च लाइट ऑन करेगा वो खेलेगा मेरे साथ. सबसे ब्रेनी कौन? So let's get started. सबसे ब्रेनी कौन में ये रहा आपका सवाल. Against which country did Sachin Tendulkar make his debut? मीशा, आपने टॉर्च पहले ऑन किया, आप देंगे जवाब.
पाकिस्तान.
That is the right answer. Pakistan is the correct answer. And आप हमारे साथ खेलेंगे अगले 3 सवाल के लिए, जहां पर आप जीत सकते हैं 10,000 रुपए का कैश प्राइज फ्रॉम MiceCart. Alright, here we go. आपका पहला सवाल ये रहा. Which city in India has the first transit metro?
Calcutta.
Calcutta is the right answer. Indeed, Kolkata, which is the right answer. आप 2 step दूर है to win 10,000 rupees from MiceCart. Alright, your next question is, which is the highest peak in India?
Kanchenjunga.
Indeed, Kanchenjunga is the right answer. Misha, you're doing very well. बहुत मुबारक. Final सवाल, अगर आपने सही जवाब दे दिया तो 10,000 रुपए from MiceCart. Alright, here we go. अमिताभ बच्चन की पहली फिल्म कौन सी थी?
South Hindustan.
That is the right answer. South Hindustani. Misha, congratulations. Launching your product is as important as the product itself. And with MyScart virtual eventing solutions, we make it just perfect for you. We're here to give you a small demonstration as to how you can do your product launch in the virtual space. Take a look. Today we're here to launch the Platinum Credit Card from MK Bank. And to explain the features, we've got the man behind MK Cards. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up. Presenting Mr. Abhishek Gupta. Welcome, Abhishek.
Thank you, Rahman.
This is unbelievable, yeah? This is like everybody's need of the hour because 4x reward points on the first 10 spends. Special.
Not only that, Rahman, we also are giving 4 free golf sessions in TTN Golf Resort, and we are giving 10% cash back for every purchase the card holder does in Chota Bazaar chains.
Well, the need of the hour right now is MK Credit Card. So if you still haven't got it, get it right away. This card is feature rich and everybody would want to have it. I wish I get my Platinum Credit Card right away from MK Bank.
Here it is.
Whoa! Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed what you saw. But to add to what you've already seen are a few key points. Our very own mobile app for pre- and post-event engagements. A platform that will allow you to search relevant hotels, scout for deals, and get your quotes instantly, all at a click of a button.